Yo, what's poppin', man? Niggas, I heard you all up that Jackie Chan Kung Fu kind of shit. Man, that's some mad shit. But anyway, I heard you lot are a bunch of friendly people and maybe you can teach me some Chinese. And let's start off by saying that my name is Jeremy, so what's yours?
德华，
Oh shit! Fuck that shit, I'm not getting a corona today.
叮叮当，叮叮当，铃儿响当。我们放学多快乐，我们坐在学校上。叮叮当，叮叮当，铃儿响叮当。我们放学多快乐，我们坐在学校上。
Ain't nobody got time for that.